To set custom ringtone to your contacts in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our phone dialer. Next step is to click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen, and here you can select settings. After that, scroll down to the contact ringtones and you can select it like that. Go to add contact ringtone and then choose whichever contact you want to apply different ringtone to. In this case, let's go for this one right here. After that, you should see something like this. So you can choose which file opener you want to use: music, recorder, or audio files. If you want to use music from your phone, you can go for music. If you want to use recordings, go for recorder. And if you want to see all of the audio files, go for audio files. Now, if we open it, we should be able to see our audio files. You can select whichever one you like to use for that contact. After selecting it, it will automatically add it to that contact, and it should be also visible right here on this screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.